Hello all. So in today's class we'll look into a few problems on the power series solution of first order differential equation. So the question is, consider the following differential equations. So you have the differential equations y dash equal to 2xy and y dash plus y equal to 1. So in each case find a power series solution of the form summation a n x bar n, and try to recognize the resulting series as the expansion of a familiar function and verify your conclusion by solving the equation directly. So here you need to do two things. So first find a power series solution and uh, once you find the power series solution, find the resulting function corresponding to that series, and then find the actual solution by the methods you have learned uh, for solving ordinary differential equation. Okay, so let us see how to solve the equation. So the first one is, you have y dash equal to 2xy. So we have a solution of the form summation a n x bar n. So let y equal to summation n equal to 0 to infinity a n x bar n. So it is a solution. Now you can differentiate the power series term by term. So therefore y dash will be given by summation n equal to 1 to infinity n a n x raised to n minus 1 varum. Now substituting y and y dash into the equation of into the given differential equation. So we'll get y dash in the place la expand you will get a1. So when n is 1 you will have a1, then when n is 2 you will get 2a2x, then 3a 3x square, 4a for x cube, so on. And on the right side you will have 2x into, so y is a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus etc. Now let us equate the coefficients of x bar n on both sides. Above them constant terms equate a. So you have a constant term only on the left side, on right side, so that will be 0. So we will have a1 equal to 0 varum. Then equating the coefficients of x on both sides, we will get 2a2 equal to 2a0. Then coefficient of x square, we will get 3a3 equal to 2 a1 varum. Then next term x cube in the term equate ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ we will get 4a4 equal to 2a2. അതുപോലെ x raised to 4 in the coefficients equate ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ we will get 5a5 equal to 2a3 varum, and continuing you will have 6a6 equal to 2a raised to 4, so on. So a1 is 0, അപ്പോൾ a2 ന്റെ value a0 varum. a3, since a1 is 0, a3 will be 0, and a4 will be 1 by 2 a2. So a2 is a0, അപ്പോൾ 1 by 2 a0 varum. Then a5, since a3 is 0, a5 is again 0. Now a6 will be 1 by 3 times a4. So that is 1 by 3 times a0 by 2. So you can write it as a0 by 3 factorial. So again a7 0 ആവും. a8 വരുമ്പം 1 by 4 factorial a0 varum. So it will continue in that form. So let us now write the value of y. So y will be a0, a1 is 0, രണ്ടാമത്തെ term 0 ആവും. Then you will have a2 x square, a0 x square varum. Then a3 is 0, a4 is a0 by 2, so a0 by 2 x raised to 4 varum. a5 is 0, then next term is a0 by 3 factorial x raised to 6, so on. So a0 common ആയിട്ട് വരും. So you will have a0 into 1 plus x square plus x raised to 4 by 2 factorial plus x raised to 6 by 3 factorial plus etc. So this is the expansion of e raised to x square. Okay. So therefore the solution is y equal to a0 e raised to x square. So this is a power series solution. Now this can be expressed as a function e raised to x square. So this is the required solution. Now let us see how to find the direct solution. Okay, so solving directly, so we have the equation y dash equal to 2xy, so we can reduce it to the variable separable form. അപ്പോൾ y യുടെ ഫംഗ്ഷൻസ് ഒരുമിച്ച് കൊണ്ടുവരിക, എക്സിന്റെ ടേംസ് dx ഓടെ കൊണ്ടുവരിക. So you will get dy by y equal to 2x dx. So upon integrating you will get log y equal to x square. Now I am giving constant in terms of log, so log c. Now log y minus log c is log y by c, so that is equal to x square. Now taking exponentials on both sides, so you will get y by c equal to e raised to x square varum. So therefore y will be c x square. So you can see that both the solutions are the same. So hence the power series solution and the solution by direct method, both are the same. So let us see the second question. So the second problem is you have y dash plus y equal to 1. So again the solution is of the form summation n equal to 0 to infinity a n x raised to n. But we need to find the first derivative. Y dash will be summation n equal to 1 to infinity n a n x raised to n minus 1 varum. Now substitute y dash and y. So the equation will become a1 plus 2a2x plus 3a3x square plus 4a for x cube, 5a for x raised to 4 plus etc. plus y is a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus etc. That will be equal to 1. Ini equate the coefficients on both sides. First equating constants on both sides. So on the left side you have a1 plus a0 and on the right side 1. a1 in the value 1 minus a0 varum. X in the coefficients equate cheyumbo, so you will have 2a2 plus a1, that will be equal to 0. So a2 will be minus a1 by 2 and a1 we have 1 minus a0. So a2 ന്റെ value minus of 1 minus a0 by 2 വരും. ഇനി അതുപോലെ equating coefficients of x square, you will get 3a3 plus a2 equal to 0. അപ്പോൾ a3 എന്ന് പറയുന്ന minus a2 by 3 വരും. ഇനി a2 ന്റെ value substitute ചെയ്യുക, അപ്പം plus 1 minus a0 by 3 factorial വരും. ഇനി അതുപോലെ a4, okay, x cube ന്റെ coefficients equate ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ you will get 4a4 plus a3 equal to 0. So a4 is minus a3 by 4. So substituting a3, we will get minus 1 minus a0 by 4 factorial varum. And similarly a5 will be minus a4 by 5. So that is 1 minus a0 by 5 factorial. So alternatively positive and negative varum. And in each term you have 1 by n factorial. Okay, so now let us write down the solution. So y will be a0 plus a1 is 1 minus a0 x, then a2 is minus 1 minus a0 by 2 x square, then a3 is 1 minus a0 by 3 factorial, then you have x cube, then minus a4 minus 1 minus a0 by 4 factorial into x raised to 4. Then you have a5, this is a5 into x raised to 5 plus etc. So you can see that 1 minus a0 is common in these terms. X in the coefficient 1 minus a0 common ആയിട്ട് വരും. So that is a0 plus 1 minus a0 into, so remaining series you have x minus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial minus x raised to 4 by 4 factorial plus etc. So this can be modified into the series of e raised to minus x. And if I take minus outside, you will get a0 minus 1 minus a0. So we will have minus x plus x square by 2 factorial minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x raised to 4 by 4 factorial minus x raised to 5 by 5 factorial plus etc. So adding 1 and minus 1 we'll get in this form. So that will be minus 1 plus the second term അടങ്ങി വരുന്ന series, that is a series for e raised to minus x. So you will get, upon simplifying, you will get a naught plus first term minus 1 ഇതുമായിട്ട് multiply ചെയ്യുക, 1 minus a naught വരും, then minus 1 minus a naught into e raised to minus x. So here a naught will cancel off. So you will get 1 minus a naught e raised to minus x. So we can take minus inside. So therefore the required solution is y equal to 1 plus a naught minus 1 into e raised to minus x. So this is the power series solution, and this solution corresponds to this particular function. Now let us solve the equation directly. So upon solving the equation directly, so again variable separable form il namukku solve cheyyam. Appo y dash will be equal to 1 minus y. So separating the variables, you will get dy by 1 minus y equal to dx. So on integrating, you will get log 1 minus y by minus 1, that will be equal to x plus, so let me take the arbitrary constant as log c. So that gives minus x equal to log c plus log 1 minus y. So this is in the form log a plus log b, appo log ab form varum. So taking exponentials, so we will get c into 1 minus y, that will be equal to e raised to minus x. So 1 minus y will be 1 by c e raised to minus x. So let me write okay, so let me write 1 by c as k. So y will be now 1 minus k e raised to minus x. So that is the solution. When you solve the equation directly, now you can see that both the equations are similar. So in place of 1 minus a naught, here you have the constant k. So therefore the power series solution is same as that of the actual solution.